Hi there! Today we will be making a hen. Let's see how this bird looks like. Well, we see 4 steps right here to make a beautiful hen which is in the book. So, let's grab our pencil and start following these steps. At first, we will make a circle. Well, yes, we will make this circle on the top right corner where we will be making the face. After that, let's make a very big oval so that we can make the body. Let's make these curved lines for the body structure and then make the legs. After that, let's make the outline of the beak and then go ahead with its feathers. I'm sure you might have seen a hen in your life. If not, this is how it looks like. Yes, let's make this together. Once you're done with the outline or the first step, you can start by making the entire feather of the hen. Complete making this slowly and nicely. That is beautiful. Go ahead by making the feathers here as well. Slowly and precisely make these U or W letters. It also looks like letter M. Yes, you're right. After that, let's start making its feet. We will make it slowly and nicely. Don't forget to make its nails. Yes, that is important as well. This is great. Complete making the eyes now. And look, our hen is almost ready. Let's take our black sketch pen and start sketching this. Go very slow while sketching this and go right on top of the pencil marks. We need to be very careful while sketching, as this is a very tough part when we have to go right on top of the pencil marks. Do not make a mistake or else it is going to be difficult for us to erase it. Go slow and complete the entire picture in a similar way. This looks lovely. Let's erase all the pencil marks we see after sketching this. That's amazing. We will now take our brown color pencil and make these U's right here. Yes, that is like the feather on the neck. After that, let's pick our yellow color and start coloring inside. We can start by doing the outline at first and then color inside. Again, we will try coloring only in one direction. It is completely alright if you do not do an outline when you're doing the color with your color pencil. Yes, color pencil is thin and it is easy for you to control. This looks amazing. Let's go ahead with the next color. Yes, we will use brown color over here. If you notice, the body structure over here is a little curved. Hence, we are also going to color in a curved manner. Yes, you will see how. Once we are done with the outline right here, we will start coloring inside. Something like this. Go ahead and color very slowly. Keep the pressure on the pencil even so that we get an even shade of brown. Try and take a color closest to the one mentioned in the book. If you do not have the same color, that is completely alright. Let's do the outline slowly and nicely. And then complete the coloring with the light brown color. But before that, let's take a brown colored sketch pen and start making these lines here. This is amazing. Take your light brown and continue coloring on top. This is lovely. Try and not keep any white spaces in the drawing. And now let's take our red color and slowly do these parts. Yes, we are going to keep it very light. And after that, let's do skin color right on top. This looks beautiful. Once we are done with that, let's take red color and do this part. And the top part of the hen as well. We will do this together. And finally, to complete this drawing, let's take yellow color and do the beak. And look at that, our hen is ready.